Good morning. It's Tuesday, June 18th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear at the moment at 9:07 this morning across the state of Georgia. A little light shower down over Clinch and Eccles County in extreme South Georgia, but that's kind of faded away. But we do have a lot of humidity in the atmosphere, a little bit of instability starting to build up, so expect some showers and a few thunderstorms as we move through the day today, and that chance will increase over the next couple of days. Checking out temperatures as we get started this morning, we're in the upper 70s over most of the state, a few low 80s in there as well, including Albany and Brunswick. Atlanta's checking in at 77. Augusta is at 75. And guess what we're going to talk about for the first time this season? The tropics. We have potential tropical cyclone 1 down in the Gulf of Mexico. That's the red X. That is not going to be an impact on us if that does develop into a tropical storm. Looks like that's just going to move into the Texas coastline and bring a lot of rain for Texas, but that's not going to veer up our direction. And then we have our yellow X, little disturbance out there just north or east of the Bahamas, south of Bermuda, out there in the open waters. And so that's not really in a good spot to get any development, especially this time of year. But we'll keep an eye on that and see what happens. So, yep, tropics are starting to get active already. It is that time. Let's take a look at the modeling as we move through the morning hours. See those light showers already that pass through Valdosta and moving up into southwest Georgia. For the most part, that breaks up. And we're going to be watching the Georgia coastline for our scattered showers as we move into the early afternoon hours. A few thunderstorms in there as well. Over Brunswick, up to Savannah and Darien, could see a few of those storms. The rest of the state, slight chance of a shower anywhere in Georgia today. Again, we have enough humidity and just enough instability in the atmosphere to fire up a few showers, but most of us will remain rain-free today. We move through the evening hours, still looking at scattered showers there in southeast Georgia. Overnight tonight, also fairly quiet across the state. Just those nuisance showers hanging around in the southeast corner. And we start out tomorrow morning with some patchy fog. Looks like the wind will be picking up a little bit more across the state of Georgia. We'll be a little breezy today, but I think we're going to see just a little bit more wind, especially moving up into the mid-state and up through metro Atlanta as we move, as we get started, really, tomorrow morning and through the day tomorrow. Scattered showers, again, along the coastline and trying to move inland, but just not really running into enough dynamic support to really get anything going. So, slight chance of a shower anywhere in Georgia today and tomorrow. I'm not guaranteeing we stay rain-free, but I will say that most of us will not see rain until we start to wrap up the week. And then we do have quite a bit of instability moving in, a little change in our weather pattern as we head toward Friday and the weekend. The heat will continue to turn up, and our rain chance will also turn up as well. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.